Hey there, welcome back to Pigeon Forge Passport, your ultimate guide to all things Pigeon Forge. Today we're talking about camping in the Tennessee city, one of the best ways to experience the Smokies. Are you a tent camper or an RV enthusiast? Or maybe you would just want to kick back in a cozy cabin? Whatever it be, you're in for a treat. Well, this town isn't just packed with amazing attractions. It's also home to some incredible campgrounds where you can settle in and make the most of your time. If you're new here, we're your go-to source for everything Smoky Mountains. Through our videos and website, pigeonforgepassport.com, we help adventure seekers and vacation lovers plan the perfect getaway with expert tips, travel guides, must-visit attractions, and so much more. Sit tight as we take you through 10 best campgrounds in Pigeon Forge. Let's start with Camp Riverslanding. Wouldn't waking up to the peaceful sound of a river, surrounded by lush trees, feel serene? That's exactly what you get here. You can be close to nature with their great RV sites, tent camping, and some cozy cabin options. This one's perfect if you're traveling with family. You've got a pool, a basketball court, and even a playground for the kids. Plus, they're super pet friendly, so you can bring your furry friends along. It's a great mix of fun and comfort. Next, we visit Camp Margaritaville. If you're looking for a place that's equal parts relaxation and excitement, this one's for you. This vibrant resort brings the spirit of Jimmy Buffett to the Smokies, offering full hookup RV sites, charming cabins, and all the amenities you could want, from a water park to a tiki bar. You'll feel like you're on a vacation the moment you arrive. So kick back, relax, and enjoy everything from an afternoon swim to a sunset cocktail. It's an awesome place to unwind and have some fun with your folks. Riverbend Campground. This place is right by the little Pigeon Forge River, so you could fall asleep to the sound of the water. Pretty relaxing, right? They've got shaded spots for your RV or tent and some comfy cabins too, if you want a little extra comfort. And the best part? Just a quick drive from all the action in town. If you're a fishing enthusiast, you'll love this spot. It's ideal for casting a line right outside your tent. But don't worry, it's not just for anglers. It's perfect for anyone who loves being surrounded by nature but still wants quick access to the city vibes. The sound of the river, the beautiful scenery, it's the ultimate place to unwind. Now something for the people who love the KOA experience. It's a trusted name in camping, and their Pigeon Forge location doesn't disappoint. You can choose from their range of RV spots, comfortable cabins, and get access to even a heated pool because why not, right? Oh, and there's a cafe on site, so you can grab a coffee before heading out to explore Dollywood. We're talking about tons of fun here. Enjoy fun family activities, an outdoor pool, and a jam-packed event schedule that's sure to keep everyone entertained throughout your stay. You're about to book a perfect base for an adventure vacation in Pigeon Forge, given its proximity to all the amazing attractions. If you're all about that rustic, off-the-beaten-path charm, Up the Creek RV Ramp is where you want to be. It's a little tucked away, which means no crowds and plenty of room to breathe. With streams and trees all around, it's a great spot to unwind with your loved ones and enjoy nature in their roomy RV sites. It's all about soaking in the outdoors here. To top it all, the sound of the creek at night, pure magic. Before we jump into the next campground, we want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Pigeon Forge Snow. They're the only indoor snow tubing facility in America that's open all year round. It's a one-of-a-kind experience where you can enjoy real snow, snowball fights, and snow tubing no matter the season, all in a cozy 60-degree setting. If you're looking to add a cool twist to your Pigeon Forge trip, this place is definitely worth a visit. Now back to exploring more incredible campgrounds. Another option for a more intimate and serene camping experience is Alpine Hideaway Campground. You'll find yourself surrounded by tall trees and great hiking opportunities in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. making it a perfect retreat for nature lovers. It's simple, peaceful, and just what you need to recharge. Choose your style of camping, RV sites or tents, and you're all set to experience a quiet retreat without staying too far from the action. Clabough's Campground has been a long-time favorite in Pigeon Forge for many good reasons. It offers guests a classic camping experience with a variety of tent sites and RV options. The beauty of Clabough's lies in its family-friendly vibe, fantastic amenities like the heated pool and its prime location, just minutes away from the parkway. Want some room in a cozy ambiance? You can book one of their cabins with scenic views of the Smokies. It's easy to see why this campground has become a local favorite. How can we forget luxury camping, or call it glamping if you will? The Ridge Outdoor Resort has it all: luxury RV sites, fancy glamping tents, and even tiny homes. And they've got a resort-style pool, a gym, and an on-site bistro. This one's for when you want to camp but still want to feel a little pampered. Plus, you're just minutes away from Dollywood and other Pigeon Forge attractions, so why settle for ordinary when you can experience camping with a touch of luxury? The Ridge is ready to welcome you. Moving forward with the list of the best campgrounds in Pigeon Forge is a solid choice if location is key for you. It's a smaller campground with a cozy feel, but you're just minutes from downtown Pigeon Forge. Their full hookup RV sites come with paved patios and picnic tables, perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring. Not an RV traveler? No worries, they've got charming cabins equipped with all the comforts of home. You'll also love the heated pool for a quick dip and the friendly service that makes every guest feel welcome. At Foothills, it's all about comfort, convenience, and making lasting memories in the heart of the Smokies. Finally, we come to Waldens Creek Campground. It's a hidden gem with all the comforts of home, set beside a babbling creek. It's a little smaller than some of the others, but that adds to its cozy charm. Their RV sites are spacious and fully equipped, while tent campers can snag cozy creekside spots that are perfect for unwinding. The clean bathhouses and on-site laundry make your stay even easier. And here's the best part, it's just minutes from Pigeon Forge's must-see attractions. Spend your days exploring, your evenings roasting marshmallows by the fire, and you'll get to enjoy the simple moments that make vacations unforgettable. So there you have it, 10 awesome campgrounds in Pigeon Forge that are ready to welcome you. Each one's got its own vibe, so whether you're after peace and quiet, family fun, or a touch of luxury, you'll find the perfect spot here. Alright, now it's over to you. Where will you stay? Let us know in the comments below. Visit Pigeon Forge Passport to get more details on each of the campgrounds we shared and more about the vibrant town, a favorite of travelers in Tennessee. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more travel guides, insights, and tips. And as always, happy camping, friends!